Hi everybody and welcome to Kids Talk. Today we'll be learning how to play Carrom. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. In Carrom, the white coin is worth 20, the red coin is worth 50, and the black coin is worth 10. For setup, the red coin is placed in the middle, the white coins are placed like Y, and the black coins are placed like shown in the figure. To hit, the striker must be in between both of the baselines and must touch the red circle completely or not at all, like shown in these acceptable figures. The striker cannot be like in these unacceptable figures that follow. On your turn, you must pocket a coin like shown below. If the coin doesn't go in completely like shown in the figure, it doesn't count. The red coin is called the queen. As soon as you hit the queen, you must also hit a white piece or a black piece. You can only strike a piece if it completely covers the circle, otherwise you cannot, like shown in this figure. If you pocket the striker, then you must return one of your coins back to the center of the board. If the only two coins left on the board are the queen and one more, and you hit the other piece, then you must put that piece back in the center of the board, followed by one of your own coins. These both cases are called fouls. The person who has the most coins at the end of the game is the winner. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you know when our videos come. Well, that's it for me, and I'm gonna be seeing you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye!